My name is Bruce Gabel. I'm a technical fellow in the area of knowledge-based engineering at Spirit Aerosystems in Wichita, Kansas. My inspiration comes from my love of aviation. I've always loved aircraft since I was young, and I've always wanted to work on the design of aircraft. I've been using CATIA for 26 years. What I like about using CATIA is the relational design aspects. It makes very powerful designs, being able to link surfaces from one part to another and master geometry and build relational models. The most challenging project I probably worked on was the 787 Section 41 skins. It was relatively early in our transition to V5, and there was a lot of learning that we had in building a very complex model. This was the largest model that I had ever worked on as far as design of a composite part. I got involved in the CATIA Champions Program through the Composites. I've worked quite a bit with the R&D group at SO on composites and the composites product, and I really enjoy the opportunity to provide feedback on how customers are using the product. I stay in touch with the CATIA community through the co-forums and the swim community. I like the interaction with my peers and being able to exchange experiences and knowledge.